Hi, my name is Aitya and this is my server for the backend, which is called College Appointment System API doc. This will allow students and professors to manage appointments effectively, whether you are a student trying to book an appointment or with the professor or a professor managing your availability. This system has it all covered, and I will be running this on the backend server, which is on localhost itself. First, I'll run the server, and in the postman, the first endpoint would be the auth sign up, and auth sign up will take an email, password, and a role, whether you are a professor or a student. And after we send that, you will get a message called user created and the user ID and your email, password, and the role, which in this case is a professor. And after that, you will just log in. After logging in, you will get a token. This is generated due to the Bicrypt, and this token is going to be in your address. I'm using bearer in the address, and after this, we'll be checking the other endpoints. This is for the professor availability. This is the time when the professor is available. This is the availability, and the ID is 3 and the professor ID is 5, and the time which the professor available is given as 10. And if we want to get that request, this is availability of the professor, and the ID is the professor ID, which is 5, and this is a get request. You'll get the professor ID with the time he has given. And after that, for the appointments, you have the appointments endpoint. This is for the appointments endpoint, and you should have the authorization in the address, as well as in the request you will have the professor ID as well as the time. This is a post request, and here you will get a message called appointment is successfully booked, and you will get all other details. And in the starting, it is the status is stated as waiting, and we will be doing that a patch request which has completed, pending, or you are waiting. And if you want to get a student's appointments, you should be doing get request on appointments.students. And this is a get request. This is the appointment done by the student, which is still pending. And if you want to get an appointment done by the professor, if professor want to do something, this is the endpoint for the professor. And there are no appointments for the professor, you can create one. And if you want to delete the appointment, you can use delete. And the appointment ID you want to delete, let's say 1. Appointment is successfully cancelled and also deleted. And this is for the patch status, whether the appointment is booked, confirmed, or is still waiting. We can use the patch. For that, I'll be doing the appointment ID as 1, and this is a patch request. We want to make it confirmed. These are all the endpoints, and these are all the postman testing workflow. Thank you.